We're Sarah and Kate, and in February, Sarah went on her first ever cruise aboard P&O's Iona for the Northern Europe city escape. And here's 5 things we wish we knew before boarding. Let us know in the comments if you agree or if you have any tips for us. Number 1. The ship is warm. Although it was February and so classed as a winter cruise, the ship was warm enough to walk around in a t-shirt most of the time. Without knowing what to expect, we definitely would have packed a few more t-shirts to account for this. Number 2. Excursion places are limited and sell quickly. Though we booked last minute and it was somewhat expected, many of the excursions had sold out already. It's important to have a look at what's available beforehand and make sure you book those excursions when they go live. Number 3. Although you may not need to disembark until 10 AM, everyone is required to leave their cabin by 8 AM on the final morning, which makes for an early start if you've had a late one the night before. This makes it essential that you pack your cases the day before and make sure that you've got everything ready to go the morning you leave. Number 4. There really is so much to do on the ship every day, and there's no set schedule you can see before you sail. However, the Horizon magazine is delivered to your room each night and has all the events, activities, shows, and opening times for bars and restaurants across the ship. So, sitting in bed before we slept and highlighting what we want to do the next day, if we didn't already have plans, is a lot of fun. Number 5. When eating in the main dining rooms, it's normal to have a starter, main, and dessert. However, we spotted other diners ordering multiple starters, mains, or desserts, and thought it was a great idea. Portions are on the smaller side, but one evening we didn't fancy a main, so chose 2 starters and a dessert instead. Thanks so much for watching. We hope this list was helpful. Be sure to check out these videos for more travel tips and subscribe if you want to see more from us.